Bonjour! Welcome back to the table. Today, we are going to take you on a summer tour to France. We'll have you experience the classic dish of the chicken Cordon Bleu. We will be serving it up with black currant and Dijon mustard sauce, and you will fall in love from the first bite. So let's get to it. Traditionally, chicken Cordon Bleu is used a chicken breast. Today we wanted to use the whole bird, so that will allow us to use the dark meat that it gives uniqueness and extra nice bold flavor. If you don't like to debone the whole chicken, you can still do the traditional way and use a chicken breast. There you have it, a classic French dish, chicken Cordon Bleu. And today, we are pairing it with our Reserve Chardonnay that it cuts through the richness of this dish. I hope you enjoy the Europa Table box with friends and family. Ching ching.